live longer like Jaja? You all want to be like Jaja?
Yes.
You have to be good children, well disciplined, be obedient. We thank you for loving her. Good afternoon. Are you fine? Okay, firstly, we thank you very much for contributing. Thank you for contributing. Now, if you want to be a good person, you should learn how to share like what you have done.
Yes.
Whenever you have something, share it with others.
Yes.
All together. So everyone contributed. We contributed. Even the teachers contributed, and the school also that did what? Yes. So today we are going to our Jaja. Not the other Jaja where we went last time. Another Jaja this side. We are going to see her this side. Yeah? We are going to visit her. We give her the things, and then you also greet her, and she prays for you a blessing. She prays for you a blessing. If you want to live longer, if you want to live for so many years, learn how to help those ones who are elderly. Are you hearing?
Yes.
Today is my birthday. Today is my
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kira. Happy birthday to you. Even if there is no gift. Yes, if you
When you grow up and you get money, all the time on your money, help others. Do what? Do what? Help others. Do what? Yes, help others. When you get something, don't eat it alone. Also share with others. Now you bring Jaja thing. Jaja Dalomaji. Kavo. Kapuje kwa Dalomaji, Mulgati. Kaunga. Kaluka soda, bana bagambi onywenyo kasoda. Mulgati. Mchere. Janjalo. Dinoche. To. Sabuni. Dinoche. Sukari.
Kunni kolaki obongo ne bitankala namu kati wakola yoga bitakolaki takwatagana enamba tunye jujuru eri empitirivu ennyo etunye emirundi esatu yamucankala nyo obongo
bitemumulumya njala temufuba mmere essaawa zino saa zino ola saa bwezi singa yalidde dda ng'abaana walayo ku bazzukulu bano bonna bazukulu puresha egenda kukka jjajja bano bonna bazzukulu balabye kati saa naffe tugenda kusalira puresha ekke mu linnya lya Yesu. Now we are all going to pray for Jaja, eh? Yes. Okay, dear God. Thank you. We thank you. As we all place our hands on Jaja, we thank you. We thank you. For our Jaja's life. Bless her. To be
Bless her. Bless her. To be a good person. To be a good person. And we thank you. For loving her. For loving her. Protect her. Protect her. Write her name. Write her name. In the book of life. In the book of life. May the angels guide her. May the angels guide her. May the angels protect her. May the angels protect her. And may all our siblings. And may all our siblings. And our grandchildren. And our grandchildren. Those are great grandchildren. May they be blessed. May they be blessed. Lord Jesus, as we are praying for Jaja. Lord Jesus, as we are praying for Jaja. Bless us also. Bless us also. So that we can benefit. So that we can benefit. From the fruit of becoming old. From the fruit of becoming old. And may we be good people. And may we be good people. Give us sharing hearts. Give us sharing hearts. Loving hearts. Loving hearts. Humble hearts. Humble hearts. Forgiving hearts. Forgiving hearts. Patient hearts. Patient hearts. All the days of our lives. All the days of our lives. In Jesus' name and we say, Amen. May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ and the love of God and the fellowship of the Holy Spirit be with us all now and forevermore. Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
My name is Miracle. I am in primary 2. I want to thank God that has kept our grandmother.
Okay. Wow, she has been very brief that she wants to thank God who has kept our grandmother.
My name is Akumu Sophia. I am in primary 4 class. I thank God for keeping Jaja.
Thank you very much.
My name is Nakale Mariam. I'm in primary 5.
I have learned about sharing. Even if you have small, you can share.
My name is Namagala Fatina. I'm in primary 4. I thank God for protecting her. I ask for God to deliver her from that disease.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Fatina has thanked God for protecting our Jaja, and she has also used the amazing English that she prays to God so that God can deliver Jaja from that disease. But I believe you're coming here has delivered Jaja in Jesus' name because she's now happy. Her heart is glad.
For me, what I want to tell those people outside, we should share with people who don't have.
My name is Namukobe Janet and I am in primary 5. I thank God for keeping our Jaja.
My name is Wawie Rashida. I am in primary 5. I thank God for protecting our Jaja. For me, I have learned to be with a good heart. It is good to help one another.
Kuya Priscilla, I thank God for protecting our Jaja. May God deliver her from that disease.
My name is Navia Marina. I thank God for keeping our Jaja, and I have learned to share with other people.
Wow. Marina thanks God for keeping Jaja, and she has also learned how to share with other people.
My name is Namirembe Catherine. For me, I thank God for keeping our Jaja.
Thank you, our dear viewers, our pupils, and the teachers for everything. And thank you for watching. This is the way how we have celebrated my birthday. And at the end of the day, it's all about doing things that will outlive us, and also teaching our young ones the value of helping and supporting others who might be in need of what we have. If you look around your community, there are those ones who need what you have, who are in dire need of what you have or what you might be despising. And that is the main objective of Teachers TV Africa, to inspire and transform lives. Thank you very much also, members, for contributing, and thank you for coming. Have a helping you. Tell your heart, my heart. My heart. My heart. My heart. Learn how to love. Learn how to love. Learn how to love genuinely. Learn how to love genuinely. Learn how to help others. Learn how to help others. And learn how to give. And learn how to give. Without expectations. Without expectations. My heart. My heart. Never forget this day. In Jesus' name, and we say, Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we go. Jajja, tukwagala nnyo Jajja, tukwagala nnyo. Tetwagala na kuva wano. Would have wanted to be here the entire day with Jajja, but we have to go back. And we just thank you everyone. Thank you for celebrating our birthday, and thank you. This is our Heart of God program on Teachers TV Africa. And if your school would like to have the same, you can invite us and we do the same things. Yes, in your respective schools or in all the schools all over Uganda and even outside Uganda. Our major purpose, that's why we are called Teachers TV Africa, not Teachers TV Uganda, is to conquer Africa, yes, through informing and transforming nations. Isn't it? Yes. Thank you. And these ones are our tomorrow's leaders. They are the presidents, the lawyers, the billionaires, the rich people in Uganda and all over the world. So when you become rich, and one other thing, never forget teachers. Never forget what? Teachers. Never forget what? Teachers. When whatever good thing you get in life, all the time go back and support teachers.
You come and cut. Yeah, I wish I had a birthday. Even if we don't does. But teacher, it is best to just keep quiet. You would have told that now some of us even we don't have gifts. Yeah.
Will come. Friday.
Those are my words. I wish you a happy birthday.
Keep quiet as everybody speaks to us.
I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I want to thank God that this day and this time is happy.
Amen. Thank you.
Happy birthday from our beloved director. We are as happy as miles of rubber. If you're happy and you know it, say I am. If you're happy and you know it, say amen. Amen. Peter, we wish you many more so that God keeps you and we see the fruits of your life. Amen.
Okay, I'm very grateful. Thank you very much for this day. I didn't expect this, but may God bless all of us, and may you all live longer. I'm happy. My heart is glad. Okay, we are going to the birthday.